Okay guys, check this out. If you love mechanical stuff or just super cool desk decor, you have to see this.
It's really amazing how smooth the movement of this dragon is. What really blows my mind is that every single wooden piece is actually handcrafted, which gives us such a high-end feel. VICTMAX really nailed the design on this. They specialize in mechanical builds. It's honestly like a piece of living art, and watching those gears turn together to flap the wings, it's just so satisfying. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery, which is honestly a game changer because nobody wants more messy cords cluttering up their desk. The mechanism controls everything so seamlessly, and while I have this rich dark walnut version here, it also comes in a lighter finish if that matches your space better. At around $150, it's definitely an investment piece, but it makes such an incredible gift for everyone into kinetic sculptures. And I will leave a discount code for you guys in description. What I love most is how versatile it is. Whether it's on a work desk, a bookshelf, or a living room side table, it just naturally elevates the whole room vibe. It's the best feeling to just switch off from work for a minute and watch something this soothing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.